there. So, Mahipal, are you ready?
Yeah, thank you very much, and respected judges, and I hope you got the bitcoins, the cryptocurrency in your accounts.
No, still not, Mahipal.
Yeah, you did that. That's we are the Delhi divide and conquer. We don't change our names, and we don't work with the traumatic cases only. Let's just look at science, and we are not restricting ourselves just to the anterior segment, and we will show you the science and how precisely we work.
Surgical strike करने जा रहे हो, एक बेहतरीन टीम तैयार करो. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much, sir. मैं लड़ जाना, है लहू में एक चिंगारी, सिर से जुनून तक रह जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा.
So friends, we are going to be precise, we are going to be accurate, and we are going to give great results. So this is a case of a posterior polar cataract, and this is the time when the surgeon wants what they call jadoo ki jappi. Jadoo ki jappi de de ma, and I think this is jadoo ki jappi that we have got now is that of the femtolaser cataract system, wherein we are able to see the posterior capsular dehiscence very well, and you can see that this is the making the epinuclear cushion better. And when we are looking at the epinuclear cushion, we can raise it to the level where we will not have anything on the defect. This is a great femto that has been done with a good epinucleus. You can see that this is the defect that can be seen on the intraopacity. We have been able to remove the nucleus without any problem. You can see that this is the dehiscence which comes into view on the intraopacity. So we are very precise in what we are doing. You can see in this particular case, there is a huge rent which is there, but despite that, putting viscoelastic, we are not having any break in the vitreous phase. You can see this is the hyaloid phase which is intact.
I'm Dr. Murli Prasad Sharma.
And when Munna Bhai comes in, gets overconfident, that is what happened. We have big muscles, so we are very confident. When go in with a lens and there is a jerk which is there, and we are not following the rule of putting a three-piece lens. Instead, we are put in the bag, and you can see that this does not hold. It just opens up the PCR which was pre-existing, and then when we are trying to rotate it in position, you suddenly find that the lens has fallen down. And this is the problem. So that is where it is. Here we come. We have to stay back in the game. And that is what Munna Bhai said. He has to stay in the hospital. And even though if he has injured himself, he is going to stay there. Emergency aa gayi is that's what he says, and this is the emergency. Call the retina people, but we can really work, try to retrieve the lens. We are putting in a forceps, nudging back the iris so that we can see the haptic. We are trying to hold the haptic, and you can see that we are able to, in this emergency situation, hold the haptic, bring it out using the forking technique, and we bring it above the iris. Once you have it above the iris, use the second forceps to bring the haptic above the iris, and then we'll just enlarge the incision slightly. Definitely, we will cut the lens up to the midsection, and we will be able to rotate the lens out into the outside, so that we have explanted this single piece lens now with the hand over hand technique. And now what we have to do is to go back and put a three-piece lens over the capsular bag. The point is, we want to do everything properly, so we are using the iris hooks to retract the iris, do the vitrectomy. You can see a beautiful round rhexis, the pre-existing posterior capsular rent which was there, and then we go in and put a three-piece lens, and this three-piece lens will be put in the sulcus on top of the intact capsular rhexis. Use some vitrectomy to remove any vitreous that may be coming to the wound, and that will be paradise regained with the use of all good technology, having no problem. So we have shown, even if there is some problems that you do happen, if you use proper tips and tricks, you will get out and come to great outcomes that is there. So friends, this is the post-op period, and the patient got great vision in the first post-op period. Thank you very much.